Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the government used its majority in Parliament to pass a bill to increase the retirement age for the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, and the Auditor General from 60 to 65 years.
Now this, despite strong objections from the parliamentary opposition.
The update follows a 2020 recommendation from the Prime Minister for DPP Paula Llewellyn's tenure to be extended for 3 years.
Andrea Chisholm has the details.
The bill is seeking to amend two sections of the Constitution, Sections 96(1) and 121(1). Both sections indicate that the Auditor General and DPP shall hold the office until age 60. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck told Parliament that the age ceiling for both offices is 5 years shorter than what's outlined in the Pensions Public Service Act.
Madam Speaker, the proposed amendment to the Constitution will allow for the expansion of the term of service from 60 to 65 years, thereby addressing the inconsistency that currently exists between the two pieces of legislation and, by extension, creating a more level playing field for all. These amendments raise the age of retirement to 65 years and allow the Governor General, in appropriate cases, to permit an extension up to 70 years.
But opposition leader Mark Golding strongly objected to the bill.
In relation to those provisions, consultation with the leader of the opposition is required, whether for appointment or for extension. Yet we are amending those provisions without any prior consultation. Furthermore, the Constitutional Reform Committee, which is dealing with the reform of the Constitution, has not been seized with this matter. It has not been discussed there. They have been bypassed with this particular amendment. It is bad governance. It is disrespectful to the opposition. It is disrespectful to the Constitutional Reform Committee. And it is a dark day for our country that we would proceed in this way on a matter of constitutional amendment. Constitutional amendments are not to be addressed in this manner.
He adds that the opposition will be getting legal advice on the matter and may challenge the bill in court. MP for Southwest Clarendon Lothan Cousins had similar concerns, adding that it's a dangerous precedent.
Because what may obtain is any government at any time coming to this parliament, amending a constitutional provision by way of a simple majority to suit its agenda.
He also raised this question.
Has the current holder of the office of DPP, for example, applied or sent any request to you for an extension? Because I don't know what would have necessitated us coming here to make this amendment. Is it that there's nobody at the office of the DPP? We have two King's Counsel, one director, one senior deputy director, King's Counsels. Is it that the senior deputy director is not competent to take over the role of the Office of Director of Public Prosecutions? Is it that we are having a challenge with the process?
In the end, government members used its majority to pass the bill. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.